What's up guys, this week we are back with a slightly shorter video because Tim and his wife just had a baby, so big congrats to them and their new baby girl. I wanted to keep things simple this week, so we just did another epoxy frame. I had some new pigment colors that I wanted to try out, so I ended up choosing this purple, gold, black, and pearl. I mixed up a lot more purple than I did the other colors, as I wanted purple to be the main base color of this piece. I wasn't sure how I actually wanted to pour this design, so I ended up going with just kind of an abstract look. I ended up going kinda crazy with this one, but I'm still pretty happy with how it turned out. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.